Poppi Time with the inconsistent DIY guy. Folks, you're probably saying, how can this be a DIY video? Well, it's a DIY video. If you read the title, it says DIY your own baby shower. Okay, so this is what we did today, folks. We did our own baby shower. Okay, themes and everything. You know, we're not going to go to the, the halls and everything and spend tons and tons of money, especially when those gas prices are really, really high. 2026, we're in the month of September, okay? So I'm going to take you around and show you what we did. Come on, it's Poppi time. Follow Poppi. All right, folks, so the theme of the baby shower, obviously it's the gift of life, but our daughter, Sparkle, she loves otters, and it's kind of an otter theme. So let's look at this right here. Okay, so we got the ocean or whatever otters like. We got some otters here and everything. We got some balloons and everything. So she's going to sit here and receive all the blessed gifts that everybody's going to give her. Now, if you take a look around, oh, look at this. Look at this. Follow Poppi. We got a little baby otters. We got some rocks. Got all this stuff at Amazon. I'm not going to leave the listings in the descriptions because you can find out yourselves. So, and everybody's going to sit here and gather and everything. Okay, come on. It's Poppi time. Come on. Oh, we got some balloons here. Okay, all this stuff is very inexpensive. Okay, come on. All right, we're catering it ourselves. We're going to have some roast beef. We're going to have some cheesy mashed potatoes. We're going to have all this stuff. Oh, wait, we got some baby otters right there. Look, otter theme. I told you. Okay. Over here. All right. This is my masterpiece. You got baby otter. You got some driftwood. And you got some rocks. And woo, people can just do that and everything. Okay, boom. So, then we got this over here. Oh, look. Another otter. Baby otter. Okay. So all this. Oh, wait. We got to get rid of this. So all this stuff is inexpensive, folks. Come on. Follow Poppi. One more thing. Nothing too extravagant. Okay? So when the people come and we greet them, we got some balloons out here. Okay? We got some balloons. Oh, look, we got otters, otter theme. Everything. Come on. All right. So folks, that's simple. We're going to have around 24 people and everything. And it's going to be, a crunch situation in here. But that's okay. The closer you are, the more love you receive. And folks, let me know if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Hit that notification button. If you don't, I don't care because I'm inconsistent. Hey, and to one of my fans and everything asked, hey, Poppi, how often do you post? I post inconsistently. You never know when Poppi's gonna pop off. All right, folks. I am the DIY inconsistent DIY guy. Okay, something like that. Inconsistent all over the place and everything. All right, bless you.